Hello, welcome to Turkish Recipes channel. I am Mehmet Büyükyörük. Today I will make you delicious milk dessert, the rice pudding the Sütlaç. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Waiting for your comments. Enjoy watching.
Of white rice, 1 glass of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of starch, a pack of vanilla sugar, 1 liter and 1 glass of milk. Finally, some hazelnuts to decorate. I have about little less than half cup regular rice. I added 1 cup plus 1/4 cup water and cooked it until soft. The reason I added not that much water because I will continue to cook the rice with the milk that I am gonna use for the sütlaç, the rice of pudding. First, I added about just a boiling 2 cups and then after it boiled and continued to cook for 10-15 minutes. I added rest of the boiled milk which is 1 liter and total. And I continued to cook for about 30-35 minutes. Stirring frequently in order not to stick the bottom. And after that, I added 1 cup granulated sugar. After sugar melted, check the consistency. It should be little runnier than a pudding because it thickens more when it cools down because of the rice. And now to thicken and by everything I will use cornstarch and I added some cold milk to mix everything well. And just pour slowly while mixing the rice pudding to sütlaç. And mix everything well again. I continue to cook about 5-10 more minutes. And add to vanilla powder. And after this point just check the rice pudding again. This is important because the consistency can be changed because of the type of the rice, the starch and also the heat. It should be little runnier. Now I am going to transfer the sütlaç to cups. These are oven safe because after the transferring we will burn the tops in the oven. Right now you can skip this step and just serve it after cool down. But it is really gives a nice taste with caramelized toppings. As you can see in the baking tray I have water. This is to prevent to cook the sütlaç more in the oven. So I opened broiler and 200 degrees oven. Let's shake it a little. You can see they are still running. You can use more, just check regularly. And here they are done, nicely brown on tops. Just serve it after it is chilled completely. This is the consistency we are looking for. You can also serve with chopped hazelnuts. It makes it really delicious too. So I hope you try my recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish delicious recipes. Bon appetit!